Ever tried making an animation from one skeleton work on another and ended up with twisted limbs? That pain is gone now. Retarget Pro V5 is a polished solution that makes humanoid retargeting feel almost magical. The standout capability is its runtime retargeting. You can swap animations between different rigs in real time without re-importing. That means you can build a character creator where every walking cycle adapts instantly to stubby legs or long arms. No extra work. Setup is drop-in simple. Just add a component to your character, assign the source and target, and it works. The editor preview lets you tweak proportions while the game is running, so you nail the feel before building. With 5 stars across 30 reviews, users say it just works and saves them entire afternoons of manual animation adjustment. The community is small, but very happy. It only supports humanoid rigs for now. If you need retargeting for non-human creatures, you'll need a different tool or wait for an update. At $30, that works out to about 30 cents per game that will use this once and never look back. Grab it from the link below and retire your old copy-paste method. Spot these deals yourself at mightyassetdeals.com. Filter by top-tier assets, sort by dollars saved, see price history. Deep dive any asset to read an AI summary of all reviews, see comparable assets, and more. What are the top 500 free assets right now? And a curated list of the top-tier assets in the Unity Asset Store, all updated daily with many new features to come. Go check it out today. You know how making sprites glow, dissolve, or flash used to require a custom shader for each effect? FlexiSprite kills that frustration with one stackable system that works from the inspector. You can layer outlines, glows, hit flashes, palette swaps, distortions, and wind animations on top of each other and reorder them any way you want. Want a masked, glowing outline that dissolves into smoke? Just stack it. It works with 2D, 2.5D, and even 3D workflows, plus UI and GUI. No shader coding needed. The performance is solid because it compiles everything into a single shader pass behind the scenes. Early adopters gave it a perfect 5 stars, saying it made their game look twice as good in an afternoon. 3 reviews is small, but the buzz is real. It only supports sprite renderers and not Unity UI images out of the box. If you need UI effects, you will have to adapt or use a separate solution for now. $15. For that, you skip maybe 40 hours of hand modeling shaders. It is a huge time saver, so click the link and start stacking. Here is RimGuy 2, and yeah, this deal is worth a look. RimGuy 2 gives you a clean drop-in workflow with practical defaults and fast setup. You get flexible hooks and solid day one polish, so your team can keep momentum instead of rebuilding basics. Buyers are rating it 5.0 across 2 reviews, which is a strong signal for this price point. Right now it is 50% off at $10. Link is in the description if you want it today. Ever spent minutes copying components between game objects or wished you could undo an inspector action? Smart Inspector Pro turns the default inspector into a powerhouse of shortcuts and history. You get browser-style back and forward navigation through selection history, plus a pop-out component that floats as its own window. Copy and paste component values between any objects, even across scenes, with one click. All scripts are wrapped in if Unity editor, so there is zero runtime overhead. You also get a side-by-side dual inspector with diff highlighting for comparing 2 components. Keyboard shortcuts for move, duplicate, reset, you name it. The single review is 5 stars, and the buyer says it completely changed how I work in the editor. With features like domain reload persistence for clipboard data, it is built for serious devs. It only enhances the standard inspector, not custom property drawers or third-party editor windows. If you rely heavily on those, you might not use every feature. $15. That is less than the late fee on your last parking ticket, and you will use it every single day. Click the link, upgrade your workflow. Sci-Fi sound design often means scouring free libraries or paying big for custom work. This modular pack gives you production-ready, futuristic sounds that you can layer and reshape in minutes. You get ambiances, computer beeps, UI clicks, robotic servos, lasers, explosions, and even robot emotes with voice lines. Each sound is a separate file, so you can mix and match to create unique audio events. All files are 48 kHz 24-bit waves with loopable versions clearly named. No AI was used. Every sound was recorded and synthesized by a human. That means authentic texture and no licensing weirdness. The first buyer gave it 5 stars, praising the incredible variety and the modular naming that made integration instant. It is a small but vocal fan base. The pack focuses on sci-fi only. If you need fantasy or organic sounds, you will have to look elsewhere. Also, there are no implemented sound banks or FEMOD integrations. $15. If one client project uses it, you have paid it off 100 times over. Get it from the link below and give your game a professional audio edge. Getting realistic ocean water in Unity usually means complex shader setups or expensive assets. Universal Water 3 gives you a beautiful, performant ocean that works out of the box. It supports infinite ocean with dynamic wave calculations, ship buoyancy, foam, and reflections that adapt to your scene. The shader is optimized for mobile and desktop, so you can drop it in without frame drops. Setup is drag and drop. Add the prefab to your scene, tweak a few sliders for wave height and color, and you are done. It works with all render pipelines and includes multiple quality presets. 11 reviews average 4 stars. Users love the visual quality and performance, though some wish for more hands-on customization in the inspector. The wave simulation is not physically accurate, so it might not satisfy hardcore marine simulations. For most games, it looks fantastic. Just don't expect fluid dynamics. $39.50. Treat yourself. You deserve a shortcut this week. Make your ocean scene come alive with one click. Finding a high-quality night character with tons of animations and clean rigging is a pain. Cursed Lord delivers a fully rigged, 4K textured warrior with over 35 animations ready to go. It comes with 9 attack animations, 2 death sequences, 4 walks, and runs for smooth traversal, plus hit reactions and a full emote set. The model is based on the UE5 mannequin rig, so it is compatible with many animation packs. The character includes 2 weapon options, a sword and a morning star, each with separate textures. The 4K textures can be downscaled, and the materials support all Unity pipelines. It is a complete drop-in character. Only 1 review so far, but it gives 4 stars. The buyer praised the animation quality and the easy integration. It is a solid choice for horror or medieval games. The skeleton is based on UE5 mannequin, so if you need to use Unity's standard humanoid animation system, you may need to retarget. Also, no blend shapes for facial expressions. $30. That works out to about 85 cents per animation. Freelancers charge 10 times that for one custom rig. Grab it and arm your game instantly. Placing props by hand in the editor is tedious and never perfect. RealTransforms adds physics-assisted move, rotate, drop, and arrange tools that work right inside the scene view. Toggle physics assist and your objects collide, slide, and settle against real surfaces as you move them. Want to drop a crate onto a ramp? Press a key and it falls naturally and comes to rest exactly where it should. It includes arrange tools for clumping, spreading, spacing, leveling, and random rotation. Perfect for filling a shelf or littering a floor with debris. The workflow uses familiar Unity hotkeys, so it feels native. With 2 reviews, no rating yet, early users are impressed by the instant feel and how it stops props from floating. The community is small but growing. It uses temporary physics bodies in the editor, which can cause slight lag with hundreds of objects selected simultaneously. For typical scenes, it works smoothly. $13.75. For that, you skip hours of hand-placing clutter. If you build environments, this is a no-brainer. Check the link and start snapping. Horror games need that one memorable enemy. The Nun, Possessed Nun, gives you a seamless dual-form character with 2 human skins and 5 possessed skins, all with modular customization. It includes blend shapes for adjustable body parts, plus R-Kit-ready facial expressions like scream and creepy smile. You can mix and match skins and outfit variations using the included customization script. Advanced materials with shaders that support built-in URP and HDRP out of the box. The rig is animation ready, and there is a real-time customization script to swap skins at runtime. 2 reviews, no stars yet, but the asset is new. The detail and quality of the model have gathered attention on social media. Buyers appreciate the modularity. No animations are included beyond blend shapes. You will need to supply your own movement or attack animations to bring this character to life. $40. That works out to roughly $5.70 per skin. Treat yourself. You deserve a shortcut this week. Click below and add a terrifying presence to your game. Building an entire city from scratch is a monumental task. BlendPoly Modular City hands you over 6,900 unique models and 10,000 prefabs to create any urban environment. You get modules for buildings, interior props, vehicles, characters, and environment pieces. Over 1,700 building pieces across 4 categories let you construct skyscrapers or suburbs with consistent low-poly style. The pack is optimized for mobile and VR with texture atlases and LODs ready. All assets are game-ready and use a unified stylized look that works for city builders, sims, and open worlds. 1 review so far, no rating yet, but the sheer scale of the pack has developers excited on forums. It is a massive time saver for prototyping full cities. The low-poly art style is distinctive. It will not match realistic or high-detail projects. Also, no animations are included, so characters are static. $100. That works out to about 1 cent per prop. If you are building any city game, this is the fastest way to fill your world. That is all for today. Do not forget to check out more deals right now on mightyassetdeals.com.